Thanks, Carleen. Hi, I'm Anita Thinkmore. I am crossing live from the Perth Hills, where the weather truly is catastrophic. It certainly is raining cats and dogs. At any point, I need to be careful as I walk, because I could stand in a poodle. Look at these lifeless creatures everywhere. They are stuffed. There's a wet pussy over there. And curiosity certainly has killed this cat. Thankfully, there is one happy story coming out of Australia's worst disaster since World War II. A rare miniature golden retriever has taken it upon herself to rescue these orphaned cubs that had lost everything in the terrible disaster. I need to get out of here before I get caught in a shower. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Over to you, Carleen.